There's something so incredibly magical about spring. Everything coming back to life reminds me of my own awakening. A reawakening of sorts. The beautiful bright colors in the flowers. The breeze against the fresh buds. The freshness in the air. Everything is new again. It reconnects me to my soul. Reawakens me to that freshness that is available to me every moment. And when life gets too challenging or chaotic, I seek that connection in nature. Nature is Spirit's way of reminding us that life goes on in this moment, that life has cycles, ups and downs, storms come, storms go, peace once again is reestablished. The ground we walk on, the firmness of its beauty, is as necessary to me as breathing. It is where I seek my soul. When all else fails, nature brings me back. Whenever you feel the need for stronger connection, seek nature, and nature will find you. Your soul is always here, conscious of everything, as is nature, alive and connected. Find yourself in nature, reconnect with your soul, and reawaken your beautiful spirit.